Unlock your future in data protection with the VMCE V12 Clickable Labs On Demand course. Now, this interactive lab experience is built specifically for IT admins, engineers, and backup specialists ready to elevate their Veeam expertise to the next level. Utilizing the core of the renowned Veeam data platform, Backup and Replication version 12, this course offers a unique labs-only option that focuses entirely on using interactive in-browser environments. Now imagine mastering real-world backup and recovery skills by tackling scenarios that are going to mirror the exact same challenges you'll be facing on the job, all without the need for those traditional study materials. Don't just read about it, see it in action. Actually make those clicks yourself. Get comfortable with the various features and functions of the software by familiarizing yourself with what things should look like when they're configured and running correctly. Or you can just use it to refresh your memory on where to find all those different settings before you sit for your next exam. The Clickable Labs on-demand experience lets you learn by doing. From setting up essential backup jobs, to recovery verification testing, to executing those replication failovers, each lab is tailored to meet the needs of today's evolving business landscape. This course ensures that you'll be ready to handle any critical data protection challenges confidently and effectively. Now, upon completing the VMCE V12 On Demand and VMCE V12 Clickable Labs courses, you'll be thoroughly prepared to confidently crush your next VMCE certification exam. Sign up today and take a step closer to becoming a certified expert in data protection.